This is Bear and Jared Adventures. This is our latest project, backyard chickens. What kind of chickens do you have in there, Bear?
We've got 3 Barred Rocks and 4 Ameraucanas.
What color of eggs do Ameraucanas lay?
Blue.
So kind of, some people call them Easter eggers, huh?
Well, they originate from Easter eggs.
Alright, and then the Barred Rock is a type of, also called Plymouth Rocks, and they're the kind of traditional black and white kind of checkered looking chickens. These chickens, Bear's had for about a week now. I think we got them last weekend. So they look like they've doubled in size and they're starting to get feathers. They look a lot different than they did even a week ago. Chickens grow fast, and this is just the first part in a series of backyard chicken farming. Chuck Norris, say hi. Hey Chuck. Chuck Norris. So this is kind of what we're dealing with outside right now. It's going to be a while before the chickens are able to go outside in the backyard. So temperature today, it's March, what is it, March 3rd, 4th, something like that. And we're dealing with high temperatures today, probably around 25 degrees. We've probably got over a foot of snow, frozen snow in the backyard still. So it's going to be a while before we are able to get the chickens into their backyard, so we're going to build a structure back here for them. So we'll keep you guys kind of posted, and this is, like I said, the first part in the series of chicken farming in the backyard.